In this quick tutorial, I am going to walk you through how to use Quiziz, a great online formative assessment program. So from our HyperDoc, I'm going to click on the Quiziz link. That. All right, so as you can see, Quiziz not only lets you actually create a quiz by clicking here, that's what we'll focus on, but you can actually go through and search for all these different content areas that they have available. And then also you can search for already quizzes set up that you can search here by like topic or by keyword. All right, so I'm going to click to create a quizzes. All you do is hit create new quiz right here. Then you enter your quiz name. I'm just going to name this demo. You select your language. If you want, you can align it to state standards, or you don't. For this purpose, I'm not going to. You can add an image right here so your kids can visually know which quiz is which. And it also makes it more interesting. And then you click save, and all you do is come over here, and then you can either search from existing questions that exist right here, or you can actually create new questions. So to search, you just put in your search phrase. So I'm going to put in, say, metaphor. And then you can see all these questions regarding metaphor that you can actually, or sorry, not questions. You can look into these quizzes by opening it up. And then if it's a question that you want, you can just hit right here and you can add it. Really nice functionality that they have here. And then when you're done with your search, you just click this arrow right here and you see those questions are there. And then if you want to create a new question, you just click here in this purple bar where it says create new question. And you type in your question. So what is the color of the sky? All right. And you can add an image that goes with it. But you can only have the text or the image, not both. Or sorry, that is for the answer. I put in the wrong part for the question. So you can put in images for questions. What is the color of the sky? And here you have variety of formatting tools, including some math symbols and Spanish and the Spanish accent. But here you can also put in an image, but you can either search by on your computer or by URL if you already know of one online. And then you just put in your answer options right here. So you can put blue, green. You can also put in photos too as answers. Red, orange. And you can add additional standards here, and if you want to tag it with a standard, or sorry, you can put in additional answer options here. And if you want to tag a standard to it, you can do that right here. And you can also adjust the amount of time they have to answer this question. So since this is pretty easy, I'll set it like 20 seconds. And then you click save. Oops, sorry. And you do have to select which answer you want to be correct. That's what I just forgot. All right, and that's about it. You just keep going through and adding your questions. And when you're all done, you're going to click right here, which says Finish Quiz. If you need to exit and go back and review it, it's like Google Docs. It'll save as you go. So all you have to do is hit Exit, and then you can find it in that My Quizzes tab. But I'm going to click Finish Quiz. You select your grade range. Let's say this is 6th. What content area or subjects it's relevant to, and then even going a little bit farther down right here, and then you hit Save Details, and that's it. Your Quiziz is all ready to go, and you have a couple options here. You can either play it live in your class, or you can actually assign it for homework by giving them a code, or if you have a group or class set up, you can actually assign it to your class. That's it for Quiziz. It's a pretty great, easy program to use with a little bit more functionality than you have with like a Kahoot. Thank you very much, and good luck with Quiziz.